How to use DUX-Soup with LinkedIn automation. If you use LinkedIn for outreach, lead generation or recruiting, DUX-Soup can automate repetitive tasks like profile visits and connection requests. In this video, I'll show you how to use DUX-Soup with LinkedIn step by step, safely and correctly. So the first step is, of course, installation, which is pretty simple. We just click on the Chrome Web Store. It's going to be in a form of an extension for our Chrome browser in which you can use DUX-Soup. So just add to Chrome, add extension, and it's now ready. And now you just need to go ahead and go into your extensions list and make sure to pin it so you can always access it later. And now just sign in with your Google account. I'm signed in. Okay, we have this little welcome messages, as you can see: profile, drip campaigns, funnel, contacts, queued activity, log, apps, and store. What else do we have? We can log out. No need for that. Is that it? I think that's it. And now, guys, also be sure to understand that DUX-Soup only works only if LinkedIn is open in the same browser. So just open your tab and make sure to have both of them open at the same time. We can pretty much close this if you wish. You can open it, leave it opened, click on this icon, and this is going to be our DUX-Soup interface. As you can see, turbo trial, 14 days left. So this opens up the control panel where you can manage automation actions. And you can use LinkedIn search or filters like job title or location to find profiles you want to reach. Say I'm just gonna click on this profile, or you can just search for something, let's say this. And once the search results load, click visit profiles and DUX-Soup. So in here, we can just go search, you can edit the search like that. The tool automatically visits profiles one by one, just like a real user. And the best practices for this application is you can use realistic daily limits, avoid running automation non-stop, personalize messages when possible, pause automation if LinkedIn shows warnings. Pretty easy usage, guys. If you wish to start, there you go. If you want to try it for yourself, you'll find a DUX-Soup link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.